Welcome to the Wine World Connect community. Thank you for spending some time with us to demonstrate how My Wine Card members can access luxury wines, wine education, discounts, and special offers. As My Wine Card members enter the Wine World Connect app, they'll be encouraged to register right here. The process is quite simple. They enter their name, their email, and their mobile phone number. Then they'll hit the submit key. Then they'll simply tap this button to be able to access their special offers. You can see now that the bar at the top has been replaced with special VIP offers. And if we click on that, they then have immediate access to that offer. The wine section is where the My Wine Card members will access participating wineries, our tasting room locator for all of California. When we go into the tasting room locator, you see we go United States, and then let's jump into California, and then we can look at it by county. Let's go ahead and take a look at El Dorado County. Here we see that we have a list of the wineries with tasting rooms that are open to the public and our participating Hong Kong merchant members as well. We can also click on the map to see where these wineries are located, and we can tap through to an individual winery and get details. We can also click to phone them or get driving directions. Next is participating wineries. Now the consumer can have a more intimate connection with each of the participating wineries. Flora Springs, one of our participating wineries, in the Our Wine section is where you can learn more about each current release. Let's take a look at the signature wines, and then let's drill down and take a look at the Trilogy 2008, a 94-point rated wine, with complete winemaker notes explaining in great detail about the vintage, age in barrel, and so on. Access to complete winery information at your fingertips. The media section is a video of the winemaker and his philosophy about making world-class wine, a component not seen in many wine apps available in the market today. Social links to the winery's Facebook and Twitter pages, a way to interact and stay connected with the winery through social networking. Again, an intimate relationship connecting wineries directly to consumers. The Connect area, About Us, is detailed information on the winery, the history, and the real story about their uniqueness of winemaking. The user has the ability to register for the wine club. This is an opportunity for consumers to join the winery's individual wine clubs. Next is the calendar. Links to all of the winery's events that are happening in the U.S. Again, a great opportunity for any My Wine Card members traveling to wine country to possibly attend an event hosted by the winery. A location map makes it very simpler for travelers looking to visit any of the participating wineries. It helps them gain access and locate the tasting rooms very easily. The Contact Us section is the address and phone number, which you can tap on to call for that winery. You can also tap to call here, get driving directions, and also socially share this particular winery with anyone through Facebook or email. Again, the tasting rooms is simply a list of all the tasting rooms here in California, Oregon, and Washington currently. go back over here to the wine section. Hong Kong and more. Our participating merchant section has the same feature as the participating winery sections with wine lists, media, social pages, along with special offers. Locate Wines will allow the traveler to Hong Kong to locate and find wine around the city with an extensive list of merchants, restaurants, and hotels who carry fine wine, plus the ability to find them easily with the map, just like we had in the other section. Country. This is where the extensive wine education begins through the school section. App users will have access to every major wine-producing region around the world. Each country is listed here. Start with France and scroll down. You can see there's details on each one of the regions. This is the same amount of information included in most college-level wine courses in terms of educational material. School. In school, we've broken it down into varietals. Learn about hundreds of the most popular grape varieties, both red and white grapes. For example, let's take a look at red. And then let's come down here to, say, a Cabernet Sauvignon. When we tap through, again, we have detailed information about that particular varietal, along with the history and all types of information. It's going to teach you about the origin of each of the growing grape varieties. Back to school again. Types. We can tap on sparkling here and get detailed information about each of the types of wines and an example of each type. Tastings. This is lessons on how to properly taste wine using all the major senses, the eye, the nose, and the mouth. As you see here, if we click through, we're going to have an extensive list of all the different types of descriptors and exactly what they mean. Glossary. The glossary has over 500 of the most common terms used within the wine industry and their definitions. We can simply click through on any one of these to get detailed information. Let's move on to the fun section. The fun section, we have ratings and reviews. This is where up-to-date wine critics and ratings are reviewed and will be posted for participating wineries. The Wine World Connect social section features our Facebook, Twitter, Wine World Connect blog, YouTube, and Flickr. It links to the Wine World Connect social networks, another way for the consumer to interact on a more intimate level. Share the Moment. Share the Moment is a feature where we can actually utilize the camera inside of the phone to take a picture while we're at a winery or at a tasting event. We can then upload that picture to the user's individual Facebook account where they can there share that information with their friends on Facebook. And then finally, Contact Wine World Connect is the section where consumers, retailers, restaurants, etc. can connect with Wine World Connect about any products or services within our network. There's a lot more for the wine enthusiast to do inside the Wine World Connect app. Our goal is to empower the app user by encouraging them to explore, taste, and learn more about wines and have fun while doing it. Throughout the year, we will be introducing many more wineries and merchants, as well as adding additional features to the app. We hope you become part of the Wine World Connect community and come along with us for this adventure.